I am Cleopatra, the powerful and mesmerizing last queen of the Nile. Born into a dynasty, I ruled Egyptian empire with wisdom and strength. Coming to power at the tender age of 18, I was a co-ruler with my younger brother. But my ambition knew no bounds. I grasped the reins of power, proving myself to be a formidable leader in an era dominated by men. Including Greek, Latin, and Egyptian, I was able to speak 9 languages fluently. I was highly intelligent in so many ways ahead of my time. I fearlessly faced my enemies, defending my land and my people courageously. A warrior in my own right, I commanded great forces, armies, and warships. In the face of defeat, I rose, determined to protect my kingdom and my legacy. My reign was not without turmoil, as political intrigue threatened to dethrone me. But I, Cleopatra, the queen of resilience, refused to bow down to adversity. I navigated treacherous political waters skillfully and triumphed over my foes. My charm and spirit, combined with my sharp mind, powerful as a weapon, led to alliances with powerful men. Julius Caesar, the Roman general, entranced by my allure, fell under my spell. Yet, it was Antony, the Roman commander, who truly captured my heart and soul. Together, we formed an unstoppable force, challenging the might of Rome itself. Our love story shook the world, a symbol of passion, power, and unwavering loyalty. My intelligence and leadership continued to inspire generations, transcending time and place. I proved that gender was not a barrier to greatness. My legacy has left an unerasable mark on the world, echoing through the ages. I am Cleopatra, a true symbol of power and resilience, reminding you that even in the face of adversity, even when things in life do not go well as expected, you can still rise, and greatness comes from within.